What's up? I'm Albie13. Okay, so I guess you might find it interesting to know that, like, when I first began learning coding, I wanted to make a game. Of course, kid likes games and wants to make a game. And I remember picking up a box in the store, and it had a picture of like a really advanced for the time looking first person shooter 3D, which was a big deal because we went from sprites and simple stuff in the past, and it was like, oh wow, you could like take advantage of 3D accelerators and make something great. And I'm like, oh wow, yeah. And it's like, learn C++. Plus plus. I'm like, oh yeah, learn some C++. Plus plus. Like, that's going to be a good thing for me to learn. I remember that so distinctly. And it's cool that they gave you the ability to code. They gave you the program so that you could write the code. They gave you sample code for a game that you can compile. So you could essentially just modify the game and have your own game. That was great, but it was really difficult. And now, like, basically, with the power of Frontier AI, I set AI on the task of what I want to build right now, and that's a first person shooter. And I'm gonna go ahead and show what I put together.